it's Ro. Welcome to my channel and special guest, my friend Joey.
Hello there.
He's one of my favorite people.
Oh,
can I just say that?
That's so sweet.
This guy is amazing.
You're one of my favorite people, Ro.
Oh, I'm like starting to blush. I'm turning like a little bit color of your hair. I'll be putting Joey's links down below, so go check him out. Show him some love. Subscribe. He's the best. And if you are new to my channel and would like to show some support, hit subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Today, we are making cotton candy. Why, you ask? Because Joey has a new series coming out. Joey, what is this series?
It's the third season of Escape the Night, and Ro is in the cast this season, and I'm so excited. You guys are gonna freak out when you see her because you're gonna see a whole different side to Ro.
It comes out June 21st in 2 days, you guys, on YouTube, YouTube Premium. It's a YouTube original series.
Yes.
And I can't wait.
It's like a bunch of YouTubers thrown into a setting where there's actors, and the actors know what's going on, but we don't, and we have to solve clues. We have to vote against each other, and a bunch of YouTubers die in this show. Die. Yeah, I guess you'll just have to see if Ro survives or not.
Do you think I escaped the night? Let me know in the comments below. The vibes of the season are carnival based, so that's why we are making a carnival treat today.
Yeah.
I thought it would be perfect to celebrate.
And who doesn't love cotton candy?
We also made a video over on Joey's channel, so I'll put a link down below to that as well, so go check it out.
I'm actually not looking forward to that video at all. We're eating every baby food mixed together.
So in front of us, there are some traditional sugars. They're just regular sugar, and they have different flavors. I think there's like blue raspberry, actual cotton candy, orange, and I wanted to try using candies because I saw online that you can put candies in the machine.
I don't believe that that's possible. I think we're gonna break the machine.
We may break the machine, and if we do, that is okay.
Okay.
But because Joey's coming over, you know, I went all out. I didn't go to like the kids section and get you a little one.
No, she did not.
I got you the biggest, baddest cotton candy machine I could find, like commercial grade, like we could open a store.
I think we're gonna have to make a giant cotton candy at the end of this video.
Yes, we'll combine everything.
Everything, a rainbow giant cotton candy. Oh my gosh, do you need help?
It's just, maybe. It's just kind of ridiculous.
Oh my gosh.
But like,
that is literally
which way should I put this?
Bigger than you.
Yes, this is huge. But just a warning, Joey.
Yes.
This came with a dome that kept all the cotton candy, because I guess the sugar, the molecule like pulls apart, like science class. The dome didn't come in the mail yet. We're just gonna have to catch sugar.
Maybe by the end of this video, Ro will have the same color hair as me. Shall we begin?
Yes, which one do you want to do first?
I say we do blue first.
I love it. You've got pink hair, I've got a pink shirt, and then blue cotton candies.
Let's start with 1 scoop. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Let's turn it on.
It's spinning. Whoa, don't get your hair in here.
Me? Worried about my hair? You're the one who has long hair. You're gonna get sucked in there.
Is it?
No, don't even
We're safe. No, not yet. They're going. Catch him. Joey, catch the sugar.
Wow.
Catch the sugar.
Here it comes.
Joey's doing it. Look at this.
Wow, look at it go. Oh God.
Joey, you're doing
it's like
so
a spider web.
Let me grab one. Let me grab it. I'm coming, Joey. I'm coming. Here. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Joey, you're really good at this. Look at you.
It's actually not that good, but.
I love it.
Uh-oh. Oh, she needs some help. This looks like a wig. A sad wig. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one this is, but it's...
That is...
Is it like cherry or something, maybe?
I've got cherry and orange, so this one
might just be regular cotton candy.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, that was crazy.
Wow. Oh,
Joey, look at us.
I feel
Cheers!
like
we did so good.
Oh my God.
That is really good. I'll take yours.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh.
So that was really cool, but I say we try and make a rainbow one. So we'll add like a little bit of a color in. You'll twist.
Okay.
I'll add a different color in. You'll twist, and then we'll make it
Keep
cool.
going.
Yeah.
Okay, I got this.
Okay, so I need...
Got this.
So let's start with orange since we haven't tried that one yet.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Okay, go.
Whoa.
Okay, now the cherry one.
Okay.
So get ready.
I'm ready.
Go!
Oh, gotcha.
So those are looking like the same color.
They do look similar.
Dang it!
I love that there's just like candy floating in the
Ooh,
air.
that one
like,
smells good. Okay, get ready and go.
Ready, set, go. Ooh.
Okay.
Joey, I think we are getting good because this looks like something you would actually buy at a carnival.
It definitely does. We're
Look
getting
at it.
better. I want to try a different technique.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you pour the colors in and I'm gonna do the spinning.
I'm gonna start with, I think this is cherry. In we go. Whoa.
Okay. Oh wow, that smells good. Oh wow, she's got a tail.
Whoa.
Look at her go. Whoa!
Oh my
What is
gosh,
happening?
Let's do another one. This is so cool.
Oh
Go,
wow.
Joey. We can have a really long run. Whoa.
What is happening? Oh my god. Wow, this is the weirdest cotton candy I've ever seen.
This looks like a unicorn tail, like a mane. I want more. I want more.
Oh my gosh.
This actually smells okay.
Oh!
No, not our
Oh,
unicorn tail.
she got a little burnt.
Oh no. Okay, we need one more color at the end.
What? More?
Yeah, we need a unicorn.
Oh.
Unicorn tail.
Oh, no.
Just a little bit.
What have we done?
Have I gone too far?
You have gone too far.
Oh, we'll shape it.
Well, that's actually really pretty.
No, it's too heavy.
Oh,
no,
gosh.
it's sticking. Oh.
Gorgeous. Okay, let's try that one again.
1, 2, 3, go. Whoa.
Wow. Here we go.
Whoa. I'm gonna make this magical cotton candy tail. And then I've got pink on the ready.
Okay.
Here's another one. Be a tail. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, geez. You got it, Joey. You got it.
Oh, gosh. What is happening?
You could stick that on a horse, like a little mini pony, and I would believe it. Here's my unicorn
Your
horse.
new hair. It's gorgeous.
I love this. Do you want to try the candies?
Look at this. Yes, absolutely I do.
Okay, so we are not going to be using traditional sugar anymore. We are going to be using candy, and I heard that this works.
So if we put this candy in, do you think it will taste like Skittles?
One can only hope.
Okay, let's put the Skittles in.
Woo!
Where'd they go? Oh, here it comes!
Oh my gosh! Oh, that was fast. That was fast. I wasn't ready. Oh, help me.
Wow, that was so quick.
I thought it was going to take longer to melt.
That's pretty. Wait, I wonder if we were to, oh my god, it smells like Skittles.
It smells like Skittles.
Should we try a little?
Yeah, does it taste like it? It's so good. It's so good. It tastes just like a Skittle.
All right, I'm gonna just do the green this time and see if we can get green cotton candy.
Ready.
Wow.
Oh, I'm ready.
Here we go.
I'm ready. Ready.
Green cotton candy! Look at how gorgeous that is. I feel like we need to kind of do a rainbow. Like, what if we were to do yellow next and then orange?
Yes.
Like, what if we started with the red Skittles?
Okay.
Then orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Let's do it.
We already have a unicorn tail. Now we need a rainbow.
Okay, starting with red.
Okay. Oh, whoa. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Here it comes.
Like this?
Yeah, I guess let's try that. And maybe if I go like this, it'll keep it there. And maybe if I can push it down there. Okay. Just keep twisting. Quick, it's coming.
Okay.
Twist it the other way.
It's not working. I can't twist fast enough. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Okay.
No.
I think we need to switch to me maybe doing the twisting.
Okay. Yeah, we might have to switch roles.
But good try.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, this is good. Woo! There we go. Whoa. I'll get the next
Oh wow, what is
ready.
happening?
What? Oh no, it's on your hand. Boom.
Oh, it smells so good. The orange
This
one.
one smells really good. It smells just like an orange. It's so fresh. Oh no, look like cobwebs. Yellow coming
Everywhere.
out.
What's happening?
I just eat it all.
Just eat it. Okay.
I just eat it all. Here we go.
Oh, the yellow. Lemony. Lemony snicket.
Oh, it smells good. Look at it.
Oh gosh.
Look at this.
I'll be eating that later. It'll be a little.
We're literally gonna have to shower and it's gonna be in candy.
Uh-huh.
Oh no! Okay, ready, set, go.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, yes. Build the rainbow. Ooh. Okay, okay. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. I can't believe this is happening.
So we have the blue, and now our final one is the purple.
Oh, jeez. Ready,
Ready.
set, go. Yes, yes.
So
yes,
pretty.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, look at it.
Joey, this worked. This actually worked.
Oh no!
I'm really proud of
You
us.
can see all the layers. It's like a pastel cloud. What candy should we do next?
I really want to try Jolly Ranchers. High school, my favorite candy was watermelon Jolly Ranchers. But apples were a close second. What was yours? Do you have a favorite?
Apple was first. Apple, then blue raspberry.
Watermelon.
Joey.
Sorry, Joey. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Totally fine.
I'm so sorry. Oh my
It
gosh.
didn't hurt at all.
Green apple. Oh no! Oh, I'm not the best at this. Oh,
Is it hot?
It's hot! Oh my gosh!
Oh! I got distracted. This one's more thick.
Whoa,
You know
it's
how
really
the
like-
Skittles was really soft? This
Yeah.
is very like thick and
Thick.
like cottony.
It really is. Look at this. Looks like a cotton ball if you do this. Look at
That is so sweet and sour. That's good.
Yum.
Should we do the chocolates?
Yeah, there's like chocolate hard candies. There's Werther's, and then there's mints. I'm ready to spin. I'm ready to spin. Oh no, we
Oh, wow.
broke the machine. It's making a deep noise. I'm nervous.
Oh, that does not smell good.
Oh,
Oh, that's a stinky one.
this little turd. Doesn't he just look like a really weird turd? Ew. Joey, I'm so sorry. No, we cannot end on this candy. We have to do another candy because we can't end on this. This is terrible. I need an after dinner mint after that.
Here,
Terrible.
have some of the Jolly Rancher one.
Yeah, I need a little bit.
Should we do peppermint?
Yes, peppermint.
What color do you think this is gonna be? Just white or like a light, probably like a light pink, right?
You think it will blend and be pink?
I think so. Oh, let's put them in here.
Oh, that's smart. Yeah. Okay. Oh! What? Whoa!
Oh, wow!
It is pink!
Wow!
Good call. That smells good.
Minty,
Ooh,
fresh. This smells like
minty.
like a Christmas cotton candy.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Weird texture.
Yeah. It's a little hairier. It's so good. That's a good one.
Minty freshness. Okay, so we've done all the candy. I say we now try and make a giant one, but instead of one of these, let's use our hands.
I love this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay,
Fire it up.
Turn it on. Oh, here they come.
Oh.
Okay.
Start spinning, Joey. Joey, there, it's going. Whoa.
There we go. All right.
It's got ya.
Here we go. Woohoo!
I can't believe this is working.
This is like an arm workout. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm like, come over, let's play with candy and get fit.
I'm like dancing.
I'll dance with you. It's okay.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
Joey, it's getting so big. Oh, it's working. Maybe we just need more.
Maybe we just need more.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, bro, what are you doing to me?
Joey, we just need more candy.
You're going wild.
This is gonna
Bro,
be
you're
great.
going wild. Bro.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Maybe too much.
Oh gosh.
No, this is good. Saveable.
Okay.
We can save this.
Here,
We can
I'm gonna
save
go. I'm gonna go stick my hand in the sink.
it. Okay.
Okay, I'm back with a wet
Okay.
hand.
Joey, we are ready for this.
Okay.
Yeah. I
we
made
go.
you something.
Ew, this does not feel good on the inside.
Oh, does it feel weird?
It feels so sticky and gross.
You look like a really cool like cartoon character with like cotton candy for a hand.
It's like my special power. Cotton candy man.
I want one. Can I do one?
You can do one now.
Okay, I'm so excited.
You should have like a pink one.
Okay, pink one? Okay, and oh, let me get my hand wet like you did.
Okay.
Okay, this will help. This will help. It stick. We want it to stick good. Okay, my hand's really wet. It may be too much, but that's okay. Okay, we are ready.
Ready?
We're ready.
Here you go.
How'd you do this? Oh my
Yep,
gosh.
just like that.
Oh, catch it, catch it, catch it.
Ooh, that one smells good.
This smells really good.
Let me pour some more in for you.
Yeah. Oh, come here.
Oh, come here.
Ooh, a little snack for me.
You need more. How did mine get so big?
Yours is amazing.
Here, let's add a different
Mine's so
color to yours.
little.
We're gonna give you some orange.
Okay.
That's literally my head right there.
It's your hair. Oh, boom. We've done it.
Well, if you've ever wanted to have cotton candy for hands, now you know what it looks like. I think overall, my favorite is definitely this rainbow one. It's a little melty, but look at how cool that looks.
Joey, my favorite is the unicorn tail. A little deflated, but
She's
beautiful.
gorgeous. Wow.
You can see this, a little tail of a unicorn.
Fabulous.
High five! These are so
Now
funny.
we have to eat our way out. Do you want to have a cotton candy eating contest?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
I saw a video about this, so I already know how to do this.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, 3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
Whoa! You got a little something right there.
All right, that does it for this video. A big thank you to my friend Joey. Joey, thank you for playing with me
Thank
today.
you, this was so much fun.
I love this.
We need to do another one with different types of candy. What do you
Yes!
guys think?
If you guys want to see another video like this, let me know down below what kind of cotton candy you want us to make. Like, out of what candy?
Yeah.
And Joey, when can I watch Escape the Night Season 3?
Well, it comes out June 21st. It'll just be on my channel, and it comes out every single Wednesday, and you guys are gonna see a crazy side to Ro. In the trailer, you see her crying, so if you wanna know why she's crying, you'll just have to tune in and see.
And those were real tears.
Yeah.
Dun dun
so
dun! If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a
Big ol' thumbs up!
Thanks, you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time I make a new video. All right, bye guys!
Bye!
And if you'd like to watch any other fun videos, you can click up here.
Or right up here.
Joey,
Oh gosh.
it's beautiful.